All right, we're in Melbourne Beach. Some nice folks picked up this house in an auction. There's some punch out to do. They're also doing a little renovating before they move in. So I'll walk you through what all I've got to do. We got several areas where they pulled the old baseboard. It kind of pulled the paper off the drywall. A couple areas where they've hit it with the crowbar, or a hammer, pulling the baseboard off, bust through the drywall. So I'm going to take care of all those areas. Just several areas like that. I'm going to hit that with some drywall conditioner. Guards would also work for this. G-A-R-D-Z. Put it right on the brown paper. Seals it up, keeps it from blistering when you put mud on it. Otherwise, it'll just be a bubble blister. When you put mud on it, if it's not sealed, it's not going to stick. They had another guy in here that patched a couple spots where they removed some walls. There's one spot on the ceiling, another one going to match the skip trowel texture. Also have a couple tape joints that are failing up on the ceiling. Good sized house. I'm going to match that skip trowel, one of my specialties. Here's the crack. I'm going to cut that out, see if I can put a couple screws, stop any movement if possible, give it my best shot. They're also chiseling up tile, lots of stuff going on here. One more spot in the same area of the living room with the highest ceiling. There's another failing tape joint. It's only about 2 feet long, so I'm going to try and stop it. Got the master bedroom. They've already put new flooring in here. Same thing with the baseboard situations. Just this paper needs to be cut off and sealed before mud work can begin. Always before removing baseboard, score the caulk line where it meets the wall with a razor knife and you'll avoid this whole situation. Little crinkled areas up in the angle where the wall meets the ceiling. I'm going to cut those out. And remud that. All the closet stuff's going to go right back in the same spot, so I'm going to leave those holes. Got another tape joint up top. If you can see that or not, but just going in and punching everything out. They did a faux finish in the bathroom, so we're gonna just scrape this back and skim it out. This is all be painted again. Minimal areas in this room. The blue room also has a new flooring in it. And one more bedroom in here. Just more baseboard stuff. Oh, we got an area over here. I'm going to skim that out. Just kind of indented like a bed was there or something, then they painted over where the bed damaged the wall, or a headboard or something. So just little stuff. right, so I'm going to start sealing some areas and the mud work will begin. And if you want to step up your drywall, texturing, or painting game, be sure to hit that round icon in the middle of the screen now to keep up with all my latest videos. If you've got a friend that's a contractor or DIYer, be sure to share this video with them on Facebook or Twitter. Thanks so much for watching.